The open-concept living room has been the gold standard of home design for over a decade. But for a while there, it started to feel a little cold. A little too much like a gallery and not enough like a home. Well, I have good news. As we head into 2026, the great room is getting a soul. We are officially moving away from the era of showroom minimalism and entering the era of the living sanctuary. In today's video, we're breaking down the specific design shifts that are redefining the open plan layout. We're talking about the death of the all-white box, the rise of sculptural zoning, and how technology is finally becoming invisible. If you're looking to renovate or just refresh your space for the coming year, these are the trends you need to know. Let's start with the foundation, color. For years, cool-toned grays and hospital white dominated open spaces because they made things feel larger. But in 2026, we've realized that large doesn't always mean better. We are seeing a massive shift toward earth-derived pigments. The trend-setting color for the year is a shade called Cloud Dancer. It's not a stark white, it's a creamy, buttery neutral that mimics the way sunlight hits a limestone wall. In an open layout, color is now used to create mood transitions. Instead of painting every wall the same color, we're seeing drenched zones. Imagine your living area in a soft terracotta, subtly transitioning into a deep moss green in the dining area. It's a way of creating boundaries without ever putting up a single piece of drywall. In an open-plan home, your furniture is your architecture. In 2026, we are saying goodbye to leggy, thin furniture and embracing what designers are calling the sculptural block. Think oversized, low-profile sofas with deep seats and rounded edges, often referred to as fat furniture. These pieces are heavy, grounded, and incredibly tactile. But here's the secret for 2026, the curved modular. We're seeing sofas that wrap around, creating a conversation pit feel in the middle of a large room. By using a curved sofa as a centerpiece, you create a natural flow of traffic. It guides the eye around the room rather than cutting it in half. It makes a vast open space feel intimate and intentional. Texture is the secret sauce for 2026. Because open layouts can often feel echoey or hollow, designers are using sensorial surfaces to absorb sound and add visual weight. Flat drywall is being replaced by lime wash and Roman clay finishes. These materials have a matte, chalky quality that changes throughout the day as the light moves. On the floors, we're seeing a move away from high-gloss finishes toward hand-scraped, wide plank woods and matte natural stones like travertine. And don't forget the ceilings. In 2026, the fifth wall is a major player. Adding wood slats or a soft plaster texture to the ceiling in an open-plan room helps anchor the space and makes it feel much more high-end. We can't talk about 2026 without talking about technology. But here's the twist, the trend is to make it disappear. In an open layout, a giant 85-inch black rectangle on the wall can ruin the vibe of the entire floor. The 2026 home features ghost tech. This means TVs that look like museum-grade art when off, speakers that are plastered into the walls and completely invisible to the eye, and kitchen appliances in the open-plan area that are hidden behind pocket doors or integrated cabinetry. The goal is to have all the convenience of a smart home without the tech bro aesthetic. Your living room should feel like a garden or a library, even if it's packed with the latest AI-driven climate and lighting controls. So, the takeaway for 2026? Stop trying to make your open-plan living room look perfect and start making it look permanent. Use heavy textures, warm colors, and sculptural furniture to create a space that feels like it's been there for decades. Which of these trends could you see in your own home? Are you a fan of the new Cloud Dancer white, or do you miss the crisp grays of the 2010s? Let's chat in the comments. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for our upcoming deep dive on 2026 kitchen trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.